This is the ZERMA ZXS series. These shredders in the ZXS series are built for the most demanding and high-throughput applications in recycling. From the size reduction of large petrochemical lumps to MSW waste streams, the ZXS shredders are single-shaft shredders with a powerful 2-speed swing ram design, eliminating the risk of blocking and wearing out of internal guide rails. With low-speed, high-torque gear drive, powerful 2-speed hydraulic swing-type ram, heavy-duty design, high-throughput rates, suitable for very large and heavy parts, and a large diameter rotor, the machine is very versatile and can be used for shredding of all kinds of input materials and is well suited for different industries. Typical input materials are fridges, purges, tires, pallets, bales, drums and barrels, pipes, and fill. The shredders use concave ground square knives, producing high-quality output. The cutters can be turned after a side is worn out. All ZERMA shredders are equipped with a large diameter flat rotor. The knives are fixed in special knife holders fitted in machine pockets. Optional weld on hard facing is available for abrasive applications. The ZXS shredders feature a high-powered twin-speed hydraulic system. This system ensures maximum pressure when feeding material into the rotor and high speeds on the backstroke. How to inquire about this machine? Fill out the inquiry form on the Rotajet webpage or email your inquiry to info@rotajet.co.uk. You will be sent an email confirmation of your form submission, and one of our team will be in contact via phone or email.